Imagine a world where pet hair magically disappears with a simple swipe. Hey everyone, welcome back to Techtalk. Today, we're diving into a product that's a lifesaver for any pet owner, the Bissell CleanView Swivel Rewind Pet Reach Vacuum Cleaner. Let's see if this vacuum can truly live up to its name. This vacuum is designed specifically to tackle pet hair, and it packs a punch. It features a triple-action brush roll and scatter-free technology, which means it's a pro at picking up those pesky pet hairs from any surface. Key features: automatic cord rewind, no more tangled cords or struggling to wrap them up. This vacuum feature can quickly and easily store it away. Quick release extension wand. Cleaning hard to reach places is a breeze with the quick release extension wand. You can clean above floors or other high areas without any hassle. Swivel steering and lightweight design. Maneuvering this vacuum is a cinch. The swivel steering and lightweight design make it easy to move around your home, even on stairs or tight spaces. So, there you have it. The Bissell CleanView Swivel Rewind Pet Reach Vacuum Cleaner is a must-have for any pet owner. Its powerful pet hair pickup, convenient features, and easy-to-use design make it a top contender in the vacuum market. If you're tired of battling pet hair, this vacuum might just be the solution you've been looking for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and helpful tips. And if you've tried this vacuum, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.